Where? Now it's time, guys. It's time. What is going to happen? Eh? Where? Already inside. He's probably that side. Yeah, he's probably that side. Dad, do you know you look so big, tall, intimidating? So just smile, you know? Over there. I can see baby relaxing. Where is he? He's there. Oh, hi, Baba. OMG, sorry. Hi. Oh, my goodness. Hi. OMG. Yeah, this is Dad. He just dropped us because...
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Poa.
Oh, yeah, because yeah.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah, because auntie is not around to drop us off.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Hiyo ni poa na fly. Nimewaona for the first time tumemeet.
Yeah.
We hatujawahi meet. Mimi nakuonanga tu. For the first time nimekuona uso kwa uso.